Exploring the search results. The search results region of the panels display a list of manufacturer parts that wholly or partly match the search criteria. Click on a part to select it and display a link giving access up-to-date supply chain information about that part. Some tips for working with the search results. If the manufacturer provides an image of the part, it will be displayed. Next to that image is the manufacturer parts number or the MPN, which is also linked to detailed information about the part on the Octopart website. The vertical colored bar indicates the manufacturer's lifestyle status, for example, volume production, EOL, and many more. Hover the cursor over the bar for more information. Note that manufacturer's lifecycle status is not an indication of availability. That is displayed in the individual supplier tiles. For example, a manufacturer might have a part flagged as end of life, but suppliers might still have a large amounts of stock. The green rectangle icon indicates that there are models available for this part. Click the exclamation icon button at the top right of the panel to display detailed part information, including the models. Click anywhere on the row to select that part. The row will highlight and second, a link will appear indicating the number of suppliers who can deliver that part. Click the link to display detailed supply chain information about the suppliers that carry that part, ordered by availability and price. Each supplier's details about that part are presented on a tile with a colored banner. These tiles are also referred to as SPNs, supplier part numbers.